Wherever you are, I hope you're doing well, and welcome to the event channel. Only if you enjoy the video. Don't hesitate to like, comment and subscribe if not done. That will encourage me to continue. You guys are awesome. Flash floods in Chiapas, Mexico result in one fatality and one person reported missing. The state capital, Tuxtla Gutiérrez, experienced an intense downpour, with approximately 150 millimeters of rain within a 24-hour period. Heavy rainfall exceeding 100 millimeters in 24 hours was recorded in areas north of Tuxtla Gutiérrez, particularly in Ostuacan. The torrential rain triggered severe flooding in Tuxtla Gutiérrez on the night of June 23 to 24, 2023. Roads became inundated, with floodwater reaching depths of up to 1 meter in certain areas. Numerous residences were affected, leading to around 25 stranded vehicles. Authorities from Civil Protection in Tuxtla Gutiérrez discovered the body of a man in a drainage channel within the Libramiento Norte region of the city. Additionally, landslides were reported in the vicinity, causing damage to approximately 30 residences. Within a span of 24 hours, Tapachula experienced rainfall measuring up to 113.5 millimeters. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.